Good morning, everyone. My name is Sanjeevni Patwa, Assistant Professor in SIRT Bhopal from the SAGE Group, and today I am delivering a lecture on the topic of Architectural Description Language, and it is the topic of Software Architecture subject, Unit 2. Now let's start from the ADL. ADL stands for the Architectural Description Language, and is the part of the architectural model and an architecture plays several roles in project development, all of them important and all of them facilitated by a formal representation of the architecture, such as an ADL. So, whenever we want to modeling any type of architecture, so it's uh, very important to define a language, in which language architectural modeling can communicate with the developers team and the stakeholders also. And ADL are a formal language for describing the architecture of a software system. It means every language is used for describing the particular project, and here same concept is apply on the ADL and architectural description language. मीन्स किसी भी आर्किटेक्चरल को समझने के लिए उसके डिस्क्रिप्शन को करने के लिए एक लैंग्वेज यूज की जाती है जिसे हम आर्किटेक्चरल डिस्क्रिप्शन लैंग्वेज कहते हैं. द सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग कम्युनिटी यूजेस एन आर्किटेक्चर description language as a computer language to create a description of a software architecture. जब भी किसी सॉफ्टवेयर आर्किटेक्चर को डिस्क्राइब करना होता है, डिस्क्रिप्शन देना होता है, तो उसके लिए कंप्यूटर लैंग्वेज की नीड होती है जिसे हम आर्किटेक्चर लैंग्वेज कहते हैं. So an ADL is a language that provides syntax and semantic for defining a software architecture. Same वैसे ही जैसे कि हम C++, Java, .NET अदर लैंग्वेजेस यूज करते हैं जिनमें एक सिंटैक्स होता है, एक सिमेंटिक प्रॉपरली एक वे होता है कि हाउ टू राइट, हाउ टू डिफाइन लैंग्वेज, सेम वैसे ही ADL भी में भी यूज किया जाता है. एंड इट इज अ नोटेशन स्पेसिफिकेशन which provides features for modeling a software system conceptual architecture distinguished from the system implementation, and it provides features for modeling a software system conceptual architecture and implementation को शो करने के लिए, जो भी रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए जो भी लैंग्वेज यूज की जाती है, दैट इज द ADL लैंग्वेज. ADL includes general purpose languages like XADL, ACME, domain specific languages, also called DSLs, the architecture analysis and design language, and AutoSAR. And these are the example of the ADL's language. Means XADL, ACME, ये कुछ languages हैं जो कि as a ADL work करती हैं. So ADLs must support the architecture components, their connections, interfaces, and configurations, which are the building block of the architecture description. Means कि जो ADL है वो support करता है architectural components and their connections, interfaces, and all the configurations between all the components, and it should be appropriate for communicating the architecture to all the concerned parties, and it should be suitable for task or of architecture creation, refinement, and validation. Means all the phases and all the processes complete करता है ADL, and it is a form of expression for use in architecture descriptions and provides the ability to decompose components, combine the components, and define the interfaces of components. Components को decompose, compose, and combine, define everything, all the processes architecture descriptions में use किया जाता है, architecture description language में use किया जाता है. ये कुछ एग्जाम्पल हैं. ACME is used to support the interchange of architectural descriptions between a variety of architecture design tools. Means ACME is an example of ADL, and सभी जो ADLs language होती है इनके अपने अपने works होते हैं, अपनी अपनी responsibility होती है. तो ACME is one of them, and it is used to support the interchange of architectural description between a variety of architectural design tools. Okay. जब प्रोजेक्ट डेवलपमेंट होता है तो बहुत सारी डिजाइन टूल्स यूज किए जाते हैं. अगर किसी एक टूल में हम आर्किटेक्चर हमने मॉडलिंग की हुई है, उसको हमें दूसरे टूल में समझना है, तो उसमें इंटरचेंज करने के लिए हमें ACME की जरूरत पड़ती है. उस कोडिंग को, उस डिस्क्रिप्शन को इंटरचेंज करने के लिए हमें ACME की जरूरत होती है, और ACME की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है कि वो इंटरचेंज करे. Now उसी तरह XADL, its full form is Extensible ADL, and the current set of XADL schemas includes modeling support for runtime and design time elements of a system, and support for architectural types and advanced configuration management concepts such as versions, options, and variants. So thank you so much for this ADL uh, architecture description language.